Hey there, everyone, and as always, welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out for a few. My name is Rich, I'm the channel host, and normally we're talking about drone-related items and tech-related items, imaging and video as well. Today is going to be a quick one. We're talking about the launch of a new class series over on Teachable. So if you go check out classes.azdrone.net, you'll see all of our classes there. But we've started building this new class series on making money with your drone doing construction progression reporting, construction projects, and infrastructure projects. So multiple ways to make money with your drone. And I know a lot of people are always trying to figure out after they've started getting into drone work, hey, what kind of things can I do? This class series is going to address some of the kinds of things that you're going to do. Let's go ahead and minimize me over on the other side, and let's just open up the curriculum for the class. By the way, several of the videos on this class are also available on YouTube for free. And just to let you know, there will be new free videos on YouTube as well addressing the same thing. So the first video here, if you're on YouTube, you can go check this video out because it's available, or you can pop on over and we've got the link in the show description below and the link in an info card above. So the first video is available for free on YouTube, and it's about a new infrastructure project that we just completed recently. We're going to be doing some other work on this infrastructure project going forward, but the first phase was completed and you get to see everything, behind the scenes. What did we do? How were we contacted? How did we come to an agreement? And then finally, what did we give the customer? The second one is also available, just the first part of the second one, the High Lonesome Way project. And that one is going to be getting added to as well because it's still an ongoing project. So you'll be able to follow along with that project. As things progress and we do more projects, they will get added to this class series. So the completely new content for everyone, the Ironstone Way project, is a single family residential location located very close to an airport. So we had to do the extra permissions through the LANC system to make sure that we could fly there because we were that close to the airport. So that is some of the challenges that we ran into with it. So normally we have a regular process of a customer contact, flight planning, flight execution, post-processing of all the data we've collected, and finally deliverables to the clients. And we talk about all these things in the extra projects here. So after the Ironstone Way, a favorite of ours, the Sky Ranch project, a 40-acre ranch that was being redeveloped for kind of a showcase for the owner's horses. So this is a really neat location. And we got this particular job because of examples of the type of work we do on our own website. The next one following up is a DN Tanks project. This is a much simpler project, but we still ran into some issues with it. Issues are going to come up. When they come up, we're going to tell you about them so that you understand how you can work around problems and get the job done for your clients. Finally, we've got the Clark Wayland Winfield project, which is something we started back in 2019. If you've been a sub to this channel for a while, you've probably seen snippets of this one. This was one of our, favorite projects, and it's a project that launched a lot of the tools and launched a lot of the ways that we not only interact with our clients, but deliver to our clients. So the Clark Wayland project really feeds into a lot of the work that we've done over the years. So there's what's available on this class today. And as I said, as we move forward, we're going to be adding to this course and adding new projects as well so that you can see the different types of projects. I can tell you right now that we are looking into a 54 home development project. And if we get that 54 home development project, we will be documenting it and you will be seeing it on this course. You'll see snippets of it, of course, on YouTube as well. But if you want to see the whole thing, head on over to classes.azdrone.net. Before I let you go on this one, I also did want to let you know that we've added this class to our class bundle. So we have 15 classes in our class bundle right now. The class bundle lists for $250. But if you're watching today and you use the coupon code OUCH, all capital letters, OUCH, it will be $150 off the regular price. So that means the price of the 15 courses will be $100 on the nose. What's in our class bundle? We have our Post-Part 107 class, a job workflow class to show people the workflow that we do. Making Money with Your Drones class, that's the new one that we're talking about today. Drone construction progression class, a 3D modeling for beginners, Litchi Waypoint missions, beginner's ground station pro, beginner's guide to map pilot, introduction to 2D and 3D modeling with Metashape, beginner's guide to WebODM, and then we've got a couple of little extras in here because your drone business isn't always just about drones. 9 times out of 10, your clients are going to look for other services from you. So we do talk a good bit about 360 imaging, both indoor and outdoor. And we also have a new Lightroom course available for our students as well. Now, if you opt to go with our full class bundle, the other thing you should know is whenever we do add new courses at AZ Drone, those new courses are going to be incorporated into that class bundle. So if we do 2 or 3 more courses this year, those courses are going to show up in the bundle as well. So there we have it. All right, everybody. So we've got our new How to Make Money with Your Drone course, specifically focusing on infrastructure and construction progression work. And then we also are offering our 15 class bundle at a deep discount from normally $250 down to $100, gives you access to all the classes we have at AZ Drone. Well, I hope you find this interesting, and I hope you find the series interesting as well. And please note, any of the classes from AZ Drone always offer free previews. So before you buy anything, you're welcome to check each of our classes, watch the free previews, and see if the class is useful to you or not. All right, everyone, thanks for helping to support this channel, and I look forward to an ongoing dialogue with this particular topic and the folks on YouTube, the folks on our Patreon channel, and the folks who are attending the class through classes.azdrone.net.